The kitty is trying to flee the balloons. She already did once, and that's why I tied it back on, audience. She was biting the balloons, and she tried to free them. She wants to free said balloons, and I already, like, retied on one. Now she's, for some reason, licking the string, like, maybe if... I don't know what she's thinking. She's like, well, I cut one, and that didn't work. I love how you're going to chew on the strings until I get a camera out. That's how that works. She's got it. She's going to cut it. She's like, nope, this is my balloon. No balloon tells me what to do. Look at her going to town trying to break the string. Show that balloon who's boss, Tara. You show that balloon who's boss. Don't you let that balloon disrespect you. She's very determined. I couldn't believe she actually cut one. You're like a dog sometimes, Tara. Instead of a kitty. She's acting like this string is a bone. She cut it. You guys see that?